With what materials and labors cost now, rehabbing homes has never been more expensive for anyone. I'm going to show you how we've adjusted and how we still make a killing on our flips today. Guys, my name is Travis Oglesby. I started investing back in 2016. Since then, I flipped over 400 houses, and I've built a single-family portfolio in our long-term portfolio of 19 million, and it cash flows just over 30 grand a month. And here on this channel, I'm documenting my way to $50,000 per month. I have a simple, repeatable process, and I look forward to showing you guys how we do it. So when it comes to flipping homes, there are quite a few humans involved. Anytime that's the case, quite a few things are going to go wrong, and it always costs you. So I'm going to show you the 5 steps that we use to protect any of that from happening and to maximize our profit. Guys, real quick, I've spent 25 hours putting together an 8 steps to mastering creative finance course, and I'm going to give it away for free. And so it's down here in the description. Click it. It'll send you all the info that you need, and it'll get you started on your creative finance jersey. Enjoy. Guys, we've got 5 steps to mastering our profit. And so really not even mastering, maximizing our profit on a flip. Step 1 is speed of the rehab. And so for me, a lot of what costs me the most money is really our holding times. And so when I'm holding a house for 6 months, every month it's costing me $2,000, $3,000, $1,000, $4,000, whatever it might be. It depends on the price of the home. And well, when you're flipping a house, even if you're really fast, it's still going to take a few months. Then it has to go to the market, and it's still going to take a few months. And so for me, getting that rehab done and then pricing it accordingly on the MLS is one of the biggest things. So number 1 is speed. All right. So you guys have to be quick at what you do. Really, the goal is if it's a $50,000 rehab or a $20,000 rehab, you spend $1,000 per day. So $20,000 rehab takes you 20 days, $50,000 rehab takes you 50 days. Got it? So that's kind of how you measure yourself off speed. You don't need to be that fast in the beginning. Number 2, quality and done right. In the beginning, heck, I was doing most of the rehabs, and the quality was probably pretty low on it. But now today, we do have really good contractors. They're very good at what they do. We do cycle through them quite a bit, but that's just the nature of that world. But quality and done right, because what you don't want to be doing is you don't want an agent, a real estate agent, to walk into the home, look around, and just be like, this is a flip. This is a flip house. You don't want it to feel like that. And then on the contractor side, you want it done right because you don't want to be paying them to do it twice. Even if you get bids, it still messes all up whenever the contractors don't do a good job. Number 3, here's one of the best things that we figured out to do. It's the materials on site. And so whenever we begin a project, we order this huge QSP from Lowe's, all of the items that are going to go in there. Now, granted, we're probably better than a lot. Well, we're better than people who are just starting, right? And so we have Lowe's that has ordered all of our materials. They are sitting waiting, and we tell them when to ship them, right? We're not having contractors going to Lowe's and getting materials. They don't do that anymore. We order them and ship them there, and we always have them there when they need them. Even if they're just sitting in the living room, it's still fine because the contractors can pick through them as they are needed. Having materials on site and your guys not out running around, contractors want to run around and do everything they can besides working. And so keep them at the house 8 hours a day. It's what they're paid for anyway, and it's how they make their most money. Number 4, put the money into what sells. Meaning, what do people like about homes whenever they walk into them? Typically, they like open floor plans. Typically, women love the kitchens and they love the master baths. That's the 3 places we put money. Open up the house if you can, move a load-bearing wall if you need to. So give it that wide open feel. Make the kitchen absolutely gorgeous. We always do stainless. We always do granite with some butcher block. And we have these beautiful cabinets that we order from Lowe's very consistently. So don't mind my fingers. I got them caught in a table saw when I was younger. So they're still there. They barely work. So put the money into what sells, kitchens and baths. Number 5, this is the last one. List the house accordingly. Meaning, don't shoot for the absolute sky. Don't try to maximize. Don't try to make every single penny out of that house. List it appropriately. Your agent will help you with that. You as an investor should list it at what the comps are selling for, not above it, not below it, at it. Okay? Because if you have a great home that is listed properly, so many people are going to go look at it. And if it is that good of a product, a bidding war will happen. Don't you worry about it if it will happen. It will. So guys, when we flip a home, we look to make $40,000 or more. Don't do all of this work on a flip to try to make 10 or 15K, okay? Too tight, too much risk, and you might as well have been a real estate agent. That way you had no risk. Guys, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about how we do any of this, just leave me a comment. I'll try and respond to all of them. And guys, if you want my training on mastering creative finance, the 8 steps to do that, the link will be here in the description. That's a pretty cool one. Put a lot of time into that. And guys, if you don't know Jesus or real estate, I suggest you get to know both.